everybody, this is Robert Mansour. I'm a lawyer in the Los Angeles area, and one of my areas of practice is personal injury. Now, one of the things that I want to cover today is the notion of comparative negligence. In California, as well as some other states, we have this thing called comparative negligence, which means that an accident is not always one party's fault or another party's fault. It could be both of their faults. So it could be 50-50 at fault, or 60-40, or 70-30, etc. I had a client who was found guilty by the police officer for turning left at a red light. And he shouldn't have been turning left. That's very, very true. But the other party, we were able to prove, was traveling extraordinarily fast. Many witnesses testified they were going at least 90 miles per hour in an area that was supposed to be no more than 50. And so we were able to argue that part of the reason that the accident occurred, and part of the reason for the severity of the accident, was because of the other party traveling so fast when they shouldn't have been. So the jury ultimately decided that it was also the other party's fault, and they split the fault 70-30. So keep in mind, when the accidents happen, don't always think it's one party's fault or another. It's not always your fault or the other party. It could be something in between. And insurance companies will often argue that. They'll say, well, you're comparatively at fault for 10%, comparatively at fault for 30%, and you can do the same if you believe the other party did something to contribute to the accident. Now, as a technical feature, this is how it works. Let's say you recover, let's say you have a case worth $10,000, but you were found 10% at fault. Therefore, your recovery would be only $9,000. You would reduce the recovery by 10%. If you were 50% at fault, your recovery would be reduced by half, and you would get $5,000. So I just wanted to let you know that in California we have this notion of comparative negligence, and it might come into play when it comes to your car accident. Again, my name is Robert Mansour, and thank you very much for watching this brief video. I hope you found it helpful, and feel free to call my office if you have any questions. I'm at 661-414-7100, or you can visit my website, www.valencialawyer.com. Thanks for watching.